A warm welcome to Environmental Studies Lesson 7. Saying without speaking. In this chapter we will learn about people who can't speak or hear, and ways to communicate with them. Hope you have played dumb charades as part of this lesson in your school. Here is a quick replay of dumb charades played by Curious and his friends. Let's get Curious to act.
Hey Curious, why don't you show us how to laugh? Well done. Now show us how to be angry. So nice. Now we love to have the original Curious look. Excellent. Now it is Mischievous' turn to act. Show us how to be curious.
Well, here you go, Mischievous acting like Curious.
Well, that is fabulous. Now show us your angry look. I am really terrified looking at Mischievous. What a nice acting. Now show us how to be afraid. What happened? You look so terrified, as though you will be eaten by a lion. Now show us the original Mischievous with laugh.
Wonderful children. That is really good sportsmanship. Let's give a big hand to Curious and Mischievous. How was it to act without speaking? You were just expressing emotions. What if you have to communicate a sentences like, I want to drink water, or I want to go and catch a bus? Did you find it difficult to act without speaking?
Yes, initially it was difficult. Later we learned how to express ourselves with face and gestures. Then it was more fun. Certainly, it is difficult to communicate without speaking.
Look at the picture given below. The children in the picture are talking to each other through actions. Have you ever seen anyone talking through actions? When do people need to talk like this?
Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. These people talk through actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. Like all children, children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. In schools, sign language is taught to them.
That's correct. All of us cannot do everything. Some of us sing well, others write good poetry. Some can climb trees quickly, while others can run fast. Some can draw well, others can sing in tune. We all are special in our own ways. Children who can't speak and hear are differently abled. They come with their own special abilities. Here are some of the famous people who were deaf.
Known by many as America's greatest inventor, Thomas Edison spent much of his life with little to no hearing. Edison's incredible, world-changing achievements were not hindered by his lack of hearing.
Lou Ferrigno is an American actor, speaker, and former professional bodybuilder. Ferrigno is best known for playing the Hulk in the late 70s and early 80s. Ferrigno lost 75 to 80% of his hearing shortly after his birth. Ferrigno cites his experiences with bullying as a source of strength which motivated him to train and work hard.
Delhi girl, Nishtha Dudeja, went on to become Miss Deaf India 2018.
Marlee Matlin is an American actress whose career has spanned over the course of almost 5 decades. Matlin gained critical acclaim for her lead role in Children of a Lesser God in 1986, which earned her an Academy Award and a Golden Globe. She was the first deaf performer to have ever won this award.
Nile DeMarco is a deaf American model, actor, and activist who was the second male winner and first ever deaf winner of America's Next Top Model. He was also the winner of Dancing with the Stars in 2016.
Kitty O'Neil was an American stuntwoman and speed racer who truly pushed the limits throughout her career. Whether she was setting world speed records, or leaping 127 feet from a balcony as Linda Carter's Wonder Woman stunt double, Kitty never let her lack of hearing stop her from achieving success.
In her words, she said, "Deaf people can do anything, never give up. When I was 18, I was told I couldn't get a job because I was deaf. But I said someday I'm going to be famous in sports, to show them I can do anything." With this we have come to the end of session 1.